How's it going? This is a Cyber G guitar by Enya Music. This is a very interesting guitar because you play it like a guitar, but it has built-in sounds like a keyboard. These are actually modules that go down into the guitar. This is the stringed version. It has steel strings with sensors on it, but there's a module with keys on it, and I believe there's a module that you pick, like with a lever. These guitars are folding, so they can take up less room, go in a smaller case. The necks are detachable. The fingerboard is a flat, rubbery surface with strings that feel kind of like nylon that are coming up through the surface. So you feel frets and nylon strings as if it were a traditional guitar. It's just this neck is way easier to fret. You pretty much just put your finger on it and it frets the note versus traditional guitars where you gotta actually hold the string down. This makes the guitar extremely easy to play. You don't have to be a guitar player with calluses on your hands to start playing this. The steel string module is basically the steel strings stretched across two bridges on each side here. There are sensors that know when you're plucking the strings. There's a sensor in this plate that know when you're palm muting. There are 6 string status lights right here. And there is also a slap sensor right here. You know how if you're strumming, it'll make a smack sound. This pad right here, you could push this side and it goes into 2 variations of a preset you may have. This is an emergency stop for anything. So if you got strings ringing out, you can just silence it. Same way with the drum machine, you can just this is just an instant kill on anything you're doing. Shuts it right up. There is a built-in drum machine. I believe this is start and stop. The center is a tap tempo, I believe. And the top right here would be drum fills. This 2 different parts of a preset here will also change the drum beat to a variation. Up here on the headstock, you have a rolling adjustment that works as a capo for the guitar. It will also change your instruments if you hold this down and then move it. Let's turn it on. Pretty cool fret markers, and it will light up where you put your fingers. This is a push on off power knob and volume control. You can put the guitar in an easy mode where it'll play the chords for you, or just standard where you play it like a traditional guitar. This button right here is how you can sync external devices like a microphone. And you can also get the keyboard module if you want and use 2 separate modules on this. Let's see here. There's 3.5 millimeter or 1/8 inch headphone out. USB-C is right here, and this is for charging. You can plug this into your computer and it is recognized as an audio interface. So it's got USB audio. This is a 1/4 inch output jack right here. You can plug this thing in like a traditional guitar or run it to an audio interface. This is how I'm going to connect it for most of this video. I can do a quick demo with it through the microphone. It sounds great through the speaker. This is a 20 watt subwoofer. It's got like a 10 watt high range section in it. Here, let's check it out. There's the drums. It's got some thump to it, dude. There is a subwoofer in it. Hold this until it turns purple. Let's change the sounds. Let's go direct, okay? Let me show you the application. Go to your app store and download the Enya Music app. This is the application that controls all of the additional features on their instruments. As you can see, the Cyber G showed right up when we opened the app. Hit connect, press the Cyber G. You have 3 presets. Preset 1, which is green. There's preset 2, which is like a blue color. There's preset 3, which is pink. I'll put a bass on preset 2. Here are all of the instruments right here on this slider. We have piano, electric piano, nylon guitar, Electric guitar. Here's another bass. This is a melodica. Here's a flute. A trumpet. E string. A guzheng? I don't know if I'm saying these names properly. A cootie? This is a erhu. Here is a pipa. These are all like world instruments, I think. Here is a suona. A donzao. A sanzian. An organ. Handbells. Lead. This is like some trance stuff. Modern Dream. Acoustic bass. Synth bass. Acoustic guitar. Clean electric guitar. There's a guitar mode which can be changed right here. It's in standard right now where you play it like a traditional guitar. I'm going to press auto. And now what it did is it made it to where all you have to do is press the fret for the corresponding chord in a key. So like right now it's in C. So that means this is C major. And then it just counts up the 7 steps. These lights separate the strings so they will play a variation or something different. I just played the green lights. Let's see what's on the purple lights. You don't even have to know how to play guitar to have fun playing this thing. It's playing the chords for you. It will put backing behind you also in this mode. When you're in auto mode like this, you can put it into just an assisted. Assisted means it'll do the chords for you. You just have to fret. And then simplified is where they split you an arpeggio and the chords. And it even does the strumming for you. put the thing back in regular mode. There's a looper. You can pretty much select what you want it to loop. Let's do C major and have it loop that 4 times. Cool. What's in tools? Got a drum machine. Let me back out of here. Up here in the top right, there's the settings gear. Settings for your microphone. You can have a wireless foot switch. There's a mixer here. Global volume, microphone volume, drum machine volume, rhythm, and solo. You can change the ambient light. Let's go multicolor, see what happens. You can also make it no color. You can go in here and change the sensitivity of the sensors, just in case any of them are a little off. Damping cover, you could turn all of this stuff on and off. This is where you can update the firmware. It says I have the latest version already. You can do a factory reset. You pretty much can control everything on the guitar with the app. Let's shut the app back off. Let's unplug it. The speaker comes back on. Let me try to give you a feel for how loud it'll go. That's turned all the way up. Pretty loud, dude. Cyber G, man. I've worked with Enya Music for a while now. I reviewed their Nova Go Sonic guitar and the Inspire guitar. You can see those videos on my channel. Very good people, very good products. I haven't had a single problem out of the guitars I've gotten from them. This company does think outside the box. The stuff they are doing is pretty innovative. If this is something you are interested in, I will leave a link where you can purchase it. There is also going to be a discount code to save yourself some money on one of these. I enjoy playing this thing even in the automatic mode. It's not like playing a traditional guitar. It's just something different, man. All right, guys. Thanks again for checking this video out. I will see you next video. Later.